Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students of class 6. This is your computer science lecture and we are going to do chapter number 7, word processing. In lecture 1 we completed and studied pages 62 to 67. Now remaining part of page 67 till page 70 we are going to do it today. I am your teacher Saira Abdullah. Students, in previous lecture we studied what is word processing software, what can a word processor do, page layout, selecting text and editing text. You can recap the lecture. In page layout we did how we can select a page size, page orientation and page margins. In selecting text we learned how we can select a text using a keyboard and by using a mouse. And in editing text we studied that how we can select, after selecting text we can cut and paste the text, copy and paste the text and delete the text. Now we are going to conclude this this lesson by doing the final topic, formatting text. What is formatting text? The format of a text is a way it appears in a document. The section of text can be selected and the style and or size of font can be changed. Now when you select the text you can change its style and size both, or you can change only style or only size. This is up to you as you want your text to appear. How you can do this? This is very simple. Now we are quite familiar with the title bar, with the ribbon, and in ribbon different tabs. If you go to home tab, first of all select your text, go to home tab and then click on this icon. You will see different styles of text or font. Okay, font style is basically different writing styles, so you can choose any style of your choice and then you can change the font size as well. If you will click here, different sizes will appear, or you can type in any size of your choice that is appropriate for your document. This is the example of different font styles and font sizes. Moving on to text alignment. Text can be aligned left, right, centrally and justified. Left alignment means align the text to the left of the margins. Right align means align to the right of the margins. Centrally means align to the center of the margins, and justified means each line of text is of the same size. For this you have to select the text, go to home tab and then paragraph group, and there you will see text alignment options. This is how it looks like. When you will select the text and in paragraph home tab, paragraph group, you will select this icon, all the text will be left aligned. It is arranged to the left side of the margins. And if you will choose right align, all the text is aligned to the right of the margins. In centrally aligned text, the text appears in the center of the margins, neither to the left nor to the right, but in the center of the margins. And in justified, each line of the text appears to be of the same size. You see this line is a little shorter, but the word has added space in it to make it to the as of equal size to the other lines. This is the justified alignment. So these are four types of alignments: left aligned, right aligned, centrally aligned and justified. Then we can change the color of the text as well. Text can be highlighted, color of the text or background can be changed, headings in a document can be displayed in different colors. How we can do that? First of all select the text, go to home tab, go to font group and select font color icon. This is the example. You will select the text, go to home tab, this is the font group, this is the font color icon, and there is the menu which shows you different colors, and you can choose the color of your own choice. You see these words have been selected and their color has been already changed. And side by side what you can do is you can highlight the text or change the background of the text as well. This has been highlighted and this has been highlighted gray. A word or the whole line can be highlighted or its background color can be changed. And where you can do that? Home tab and again in font group, this is the background color and you can choose any color of your choice. Okay, and this is page 68 of your book. You can go there and you can see it. Then you can choose borders. One other option in formatting is, the third option that we are going to study is how you can change borders. Text or pages can have borders around them. Borders can be different patterns. Headings in a document can be displayed in different colors. How you can do that? Select the text, go to home tab, paragraph group, borders and shading. Here it is. This is your word window. This is title bar. This is ribbon. In ribbon you will go to home tab. In home tab you will go to paragraph group, and here you will see this is shading and this is borders. This is the example. This is a simple text without border, without shading. A border has been added here through this border icon. Shading has been done here through this shading icon. And if you want your border to appear in different styles and patterns, you will select border. In this menu you will go to borders and shading, and here another dialog box will open, another window will open, where you can choose different styles of borders. You can change the colors of borders, you can change their width, their thickness as well. So with the help of this option you can add borders and shading to the pages of your document and to the text of your document. Okay, this is on page 68 of your book. Then you can bold, italic and underline the text. Important sections of the text can be emphasized by formatting them in a special way. Bold means the text appears a little darker. Italic means the text will appear a little tilted towards the right side. And underline means your text will be underlined. You can apply these options to your text. Select the text, go to home tab, font group, bold, italic, underlined. You see, these are the options. You select the text, press this bold button, bold icon, and your text will be bold, italic or underlined, or you can apply these three options to the same text. Okay, then bullets and numberings. List of text items can have bullets or numbers placed at beginning of each item to make them easier to read. So with the help of bullets and numbers, we make our text easier to read. Shapes of bullets and styles of numbers can be changed. What are the steps? Select the text, go to home tab, paragraph group. In paragraph group you can choose bullets and numbering feature. You see this? Home tab, paragraph group, these are bullets and these are numbers. You will click them, you will see a menu and there are different options you can choose from them. Here are some examples for you to understand, students. First of all, select the text, then go to the home tab, then go to paragraph group and select any bullet from here. These are different bullets, different styles of bullets. You can choose any one of your choice. And then if we move on to numbering, these are different ways in which you can number the list. Any list that you have added to your document, you can put numbers on them in any way that suits your document. Okay, on page 69, students, there is an add-on. The most common font style is Times New Roman. Times New Roman is the most common font style that is used, so you need to learn it and you need to practice this as well. Okay, I hope this bullets and numbering is clear to you now. Then move on to indentation. The first line of paragraph is often indented. Okay, indentation means move to the right. Like we start a paragraph, you leave some space. When you leave that space, this is called indentation. How you can do that? Go to home tab, select the text. You don't need to select the text. Go to home tab, go to paragraph group, increase indent tool and decrease indent tool will help you to indent text. Okay, this can be also done by using tab key. If you choose tab key before you start typing, tab key is on the keyboard, you can also do this indentation. This is it. You see, this is indented. You can increase or decrease indent with the help of these icons in home tab in the paragraph group. You see this? Okay, then is line spacing. The distance between lines of text can be adjusted. How? You will select the text, You will go to Home tab, Paragraph Group, Line and Spacing Feature. Here it is. You will select the paragraph. This is line and spacing feature. Okay, you will click it, a pop-up menu will appear. These are different options. Now here the line spacing is 1.15. You can see the space between lines is very less, and when you make it 2, the space increases. Okay, the space between the lines has increased. In this way you can adjust the lines and the spacing between the lines. So now we are going to the 8th option in formatting is change case. Change case means this is a feature that allows the text to appear in styles such as all the text to appear in lowercase, all the text to appear in uppercase. Sentence case means the first letter of every line is capital. Title case means first letter of every word is going to be capital. And this is toggle case option. The first letter of each word is small and rest of all the letters are capital. In Home tab you go to Font Groups and Change Case feature. This is it. You see, in Home tab, Font Group, this is Change Case feature. When you will click this icon, a menu will appear. From here you can choose any menu or any option of your size. This is lowercase, uppercase, sentence case, title case, or capitalized each word, or title case. It is the same thing. And toggle case. So this is very clear to you now. Then comes spelling and grammar check. A spell checker checks spellings. Alternate spellings can be suggested and the correct one can be selected. Okay, if you make a spelling mistake while typing, word processor will indicate that spelling mistake, and when you will right click there, it will give you alternate spellings or the correct spellings of that word, and you can choose from there. We can add word to the dictionary so that it is not shown as spelling error the next time it is typed. And if you have typed right spelling and word processor is going to mark it as incorrect, you can add that word to the dictionary, as the spelling of colors COLOUR is also used and COLOR is also used. So sometimes you get this error. So if you want the spelling that you have typed and you are sure that they are correct, you can add that word to the dictionary. So next time word processor will know that yes, this is a word that the user uses and it is correct, and next time it will not indicate it as a spelling error. Then comes thesaurus. Thesaurus gives alternatives of a word. For a word brave, the thesaurus might suggest courageous, daring, fearless, etc. as alternative words. Just see here. First we will check spelling and grammar mistakes. This is the option spelling and grammar. Okay, in spelling and grammar, the spelling errors are indicated with a red line and the grammar errors are indicated with a green line. Now if you will click here or select this word and you will click here, what you will see, this window. Now you see it has underlined this word, and the computer says the spellings are incorrect and the right spellings are suggested here. You will press this change and the spellings will be changed. It is a grammatical mistake. The word processor will tell you that with it you need to have S with the verb performs, and when you will press change here, it will correct this mistake from here. Okay, this is how spelling and grammar check ensures that your document is free from any spelling or grammatical mistake. So word processor is going to indicate you. Then this is thesaurus. This is the word brave. Right click here, synonyms. It also gives us synonyms, or thesaurus. If you press thesaurus, it is also going to show you the words, all the words that can be used instead of brave, valiant, courageous, bold, daring, fearless. Okay, these options will be provided to you. Then comes header and footer. Header appears at the top of a document when it is printed. Okay, when you choose a header on your document, when it will be printed, the header is going to appear on every page of that document, and footer appears at the bottom of the page. It helps the reader, they both help the reader to find information easily. Include title of the document, page number, date and time of printing. This information, title of the document and time and date and page numbering, is added in header and footer. We will go to insert tab we'll go to header and footer group, and then we will choose header and footer. You see this in insert tab, you will choose this header, and it will allow you to enter a header to your page. And then you will choose footer, it will allow you to enter footer on the page. On your book, if you see, headers and footers are added. In header you can see the chapter name and the number and name of your book, and in footer option you see the page number. You can check it on your book as well. Okay students, this is it. Your chapter has been done. Please read it carefully once again. Try to understand it very well. You can recap the lecture as well. Then learn the important concepts by heart, and then please practice hard. You need to practice it in order to understand it well. So, I hope you have installed Microsoft Office Word on your tablets, laptops, computers, whatever you are having, and you have already practiced the previous lecture. Now it is the time to practice the concepts that we have done today and have a good grip on them. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.